Alright, what's up, y'all? So, let's talk about Bitcoin. Alright, I made a video not too long ago just talking about how right now is a very important price range for Bitcoin, and what happens next will be very determinative for the trend, the short-term trend of Bitcoin here. What was very important to look at here was basically this wedge pattern. We can clearly see we're going sideways in this wedge, and we broke above, guys. So this is very bullish, hopeful news for Bitcoin. Not only that, I recently just heard how a bunch of USDT was recently added to the supply, and whenever that happens, that tends to pump the price of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin. Like, that makes sense, guys, right? Like, there's a lot of pairs with USDT in Bitcoin on exchanges, and whenever there's a bunch more supply, just kind of makes sense, right? Those are two reasons to think that we're going to continue to have a bullish trend here. But guys, something I think that's very important to keep in mind is today's Saturday, right? Okay, the stock market is closed on the weekends. I think what will determine whether or not this bullish trend continues, or if it's kind of a fake out and we go back down, I think one of the things that is going to be very important to keep in mind with all this, guys, is what happens with the stock market. So what happens on Monday? We're taking a look at SPY. It's representative of what happens in the S&P 500. Okay, so as we can see, last week there is a downturn in the market. On Monday, we may continue to fall a little bit and perhaps find support around this level or this level. So if we, let's say if we continue to fall a bit more but find support and then go back up, that will be very bullish news for Bitcoin. Okay, guys, so I think whatever happens to the stock market on Monday, the Dow Jones, the S&P 500 is going to be very influential to the price of Bitcoin. Okay, guys, so on Monday morning, if the S&P, the Dow Jones, if the stock market's up, I think that will further cement this current bullish breakout we've seen here. But if we have a downturn in the stock market, and perhaps if the dollar strengthens as well, that might cause Bitcoin to crash. But all in all, guys, this is looking very bullish. Okay, we had a clear wedge pattern here, and we broke above. This is looking very bullish. That mixed with the news of a bunch more USDT being added to the supply, this is looking hopeful. But there's still a lot that can go wrong here, guys. So just keep in mind that this bullish trend does not have to continue. It's gonna be a fake out. We could continue to go down. Like I said, I think I'll be updating you guys. I'll be making a video Monday morning talking about how the stock market is, because updating you guys on what's going on with that. But for now, this is looking bullish, guys. So if y'all could please like, subscribe, comment, share, I'd really appreciate it. It helps out the channel. That's it for now. Take care, y'all.